The device doesn't charge. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We release the screws from the top of the device. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We remove the screw. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. The device is charging properly.